Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach. And today, you guys, I just want to ask you a very simple question, and that is, are you thinking about starting your own affiliate marketing business? Are you brand new in affiliate marketing? Have you been at it for a minute and you just want to be successful? Are you not getting any monetary gain? I want to share with you the top 3 ingredients that you must have in your affiliate marketing business to find success. So whether you are brand new or whether you've been at this for a minute and you're just not making any money, if you are not doing these 3 things, this is probably why you are not succeeding. And you guys, I have spent a lot of money to learn this information, and I have struggled for a very long time to actually implement this and to understand how important it is in your business. And so when I was brand new in affiliate marketing, I didn't know that you needed these things, you guys. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I thought that you could just go grab an affiliate link from like ClickBank or something like that, go out there, spam it all over the internet, and expect that you were going to make money. And you know what? I actually did make a little bit of money one time, but the person actually returned it and I went right back to zero. So these 3 things are super important, you guys. And I'm not gonna keep saying that again and again, but you must be doing these things. I learned about this when I actually paid a lot of money and actually got some people behind me that knew exactly what you needed to be doing to succeed in affiliate marketing, you guys. And so when I was getting started, I was looking for literally a step-by-step process, and I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I typed into Google. Step-by-step process for affiliate marketing, because that's how I work. I knew that if I could put one foot in front of another and someone was telling me exactly what I needed to do to find success in starting my own online business and affiliate marketing, that I could find success. And you know what? I was right. But it still required a lot of effort on my part, you guys. You can't be lazy. You got to be willing to step outside your comfort zone. You have to be willing to get comfortable being uncomfortable, and you have to put in a lot of effort. You know, it all comes in action. I can teach you everything that you need to know, but if you are not actually taking massive action at wanting to succeed, then you're not going to find success. And that's with anything in life, you guys. It's not just affiliate marketing. Anything that you really want to be successful at, you have to take a lot of action, and you have to have the right information and know exactly what works. And basically all you do is model success, you guys. You take the success from people that are already doing it. They know exactly what you need to do, and you put in a ton of effort and you will find success. You know, if you just think about anybody, right? Let's just talk about, you know, someone that's, you know, famous in sports or something like that. Let's just throw out there like LeBron, right? Or Kobe. Those guys have crazy work ethics. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a LeBron or a Kobe, but you have to be willing to put in the work to find success. A lot of people think that success comes overnight, and success doesn't come overnight, you guys. Those guys were at it for a long time to become an overnight success. So here's what's up, you guys. Here's how you shorten the amount of time it takes to find success in affiliate marketing and to stop wandering about trying to figure things out on your own. What I recommend first is that you invest in yourself and you get the right information in front of you. Now, YouTube and through me, I can provide a lot of coaching for free, and I can provide you a lot of value just through this channel. Make sure that you're subscribed, by the way, because like I said, I've spent 15 years doing several different types of businesses, you guys, and I have learned a lot, and I have spent a ton of money, and I can save you a lot of time and a lot of money just with the information that I'm gonna be providing you on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed. Also, if at any time during this video you find any valuable information, make sure that you hit that thumbs up. All right, so right back into this. The first thing that you're going to need, you guys, is you're going to need a blueprint. You're going to need a step-by-step process that's proven, that works. And you know what you need besides that is you need people behind you that are gonna help you, that are gonna tell you exactly what you need to be doing. And the second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need consistency, and you're going to need massive action, just like I've been saying. You have to stay consistent, right? So you can't expect immediate results overnight. You can expect that you'll succeed faster the more action that you take, but you have to stay consistent. And the problem is with a lot of people is they're used to immediate gratification. And what I mean by that is our culture and everything like that has programmed us into thinking that we're going to get immediate gratification, that we're going to get started with affiliate marketing, or, you know, with whatever we're trying to succeed at, and that we're going to get the result that we want by the very next day or the next week, and that's just not the case, you guys. I want you to imagine for a second that you went to the gym, right? Do you think that you're gonna go to work out at the gym for a week and then that magically you're just going to become this professional bodybuilder in a week? No, those guys work at it for a very long time. But if you had one of those guys coaching you and you had a professional behind you telling you exactly what you need to be doing at the gym, motivating you and helping you to stay on track, how much faster do you think that you would find success? You would find it a lot faster, you guys.